These are the types of emails I love to get, and I've just received this one this morning at literally 31 minutes ago at 10:34 a.m. I tend to get these emails either on a Monday or a Tuesday, but I get them every week without fail. And this one tells me that the $805 I've earned from my email sending business is inside my bank account. So let's go over to my bank account and convert that $805 into pounds, because I'm here in the UK. So here I am in my Wise account. This is my bank account where I can receive up to 50 different currencies. I've got a US dollar account and I've got a pound account. If you want to open up a Wise account, you'll find a link for that in the description. It's so easy to set up. It's a real bank account. You can order cards from them. I've got 2 cards, one for me and one the wife uses. We use this on a day-to-day basis just to run our day-to-day living. And as you can see here, I've got the $805 and I want to put it into pounds. So let me do that first. All I need to do is to click on the dollar account here, and it's got that 805.80, and then all I need to do is to click on convert. I'm going to click on the amount that I've got in the balance, which is the 805.80, and that's going to give me £624. This is a week's earning from one of the incomes that I do working online. So that brings me to this page. It's going to charge me $4 for the conversion. I get 624. Click convert. That tells me it's all done. Got it. Now I go back over to the home page, and you can see that my dollar account is empty, and I've now got £639 in my pound account. Now, how did I get this $805? Well, quite simply, I got this from sending out emails, and I get paid to send those emails out. So far with this business, I've actually been paid out into my bank account $9,482. And if I change this from paid to pending, and this is my pending payment, so I won't get this payment until this week passes, so this will go up as the week goes on. So already on Monday morning, I've earned $232.55. And if I go back to paid, as you can see, I've been paid out $9,482. Absolutely mind-blowing. So below this video, you'll find a link, and it's going to take you over to this page where you can earn amazing income from this. As you can see, for my week's money there, I've got just over $800. So you can earn easily $100 a day from this. On this page, you're going to find a video. Watch that video. I highly recommend you watch that video, and then below the video there's a big blue button. Click that button. It's going to take you over so you can create a free account. It's free to start with. They're going to give you 5,000 email subscribers that you can email using this system, and they will give you the emails. They're already pre-written, and if any of those 5,000 subscribers click the link that's in the email, you earn money. It's as simple as that. You can try it for free. You'll earn money. Guaranteed you'll earn money using this system for free. So if you're interested in earning real money that gets sent to your bank account, then click the link below and it will take you over to this page. This is by far the easiest way to earn money online. It's a great system. I love it. It's working like a dream for me. Click the link below, and if you like this type of content, give me the thumbs up. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, click that bell notification so you get notified when I upload a new video. You have a fantastic day, and I'll speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.